The river name is Pasig River.
Hello everyone. This river separates the old Spanish town of Intramuros from Binondo. Binondo is also part of Manila and holds the title of the world's oldest Chinatown outside of China, of course. It is over 400 years old. We are going to take a short walk through its street. Come along and enjoy the journey with us.
Wow, this is a magic machine. I don't even know what is it. A car engine on the motorcycle. Oh. Wow. Impressive piece of work. Smoked ducks, smoked chicken feet, pig ear, pork belly, traditional Hong Kong flavor, traditional Hong Kong flavor, other Asian restaurants. So this looks nice. Somebody working on something, grinding something, but it amazes me. Hydro lines or cable lines or whatever lines on the air, but thousands of them. Playing the electrician, I don't think it's too much fun here. There is the corner hydro pool, like a Pasta Junction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. Oh my God. Which way to go? The way to Chinatown, according to the cable junction, line rules. The hotel, power train, all kinds of police officers make sure everybody keeps the traffic rules, which is, I believe, no one do it. We cannot walk here in the other side, there's no sidewalk there. Very nice. It looks like a cross on the top, but a double cross. I don't know why. In the Hungarian religion, we have a double cross, but the other one just a single cross. A bit tall. I cannot see on the camera. I can see with my eyes a double cross. Jollibee, Chinatown, Jollibee, and all kinds of small stuff, small business on the roadside. You can buy almost anything and everything here. Laundry business, shoes, food supply, work clothes, fruits, t-shirt, ice cream, Gilaman, repair, print shop. The ironing on the t-shirt.
If you want
No, I don't.
order, print it to you.
Hello, Jeepney. 20 pesos
You
each
give your YouTube
t-shirt.
Hungry your Canadian lager. They print it here.
Look, here we go. Soon to open, it's not open yet. They already printing. See, they have this
Yung
expensive
card
printer.
mo, your card,
Yeah.
we can...
I don't have an image here. I made a mistake.
No, your card, there is image. That
They cannot copy that one.
everything they can copy
Look
there.
what. Here happening the original Adidas or anything else, whatever you wish. They print it for you.
You don't want?
No. I don't want weight.
It is very easy.
Grapefruit.
Munggo,
Oh,
cauliflower, 100 pesos. It's so easy.
jewelry, hardware. Sales lady they looking for. Power. Printing service. One stop t-shirt printing. The other side. Allowed Jeepney. Fried fish. Shoe store. Purse. Nice one.
It's imitation.
You're imitating. You love imitation. Whoa! No, the magic machine is over there.
We're here already. In Victoria.
You pocket it. Printing. Good one. All the way express. This is like an Amazon competition. Wow! Woohoo! Jumbo plastic linoleum. We get back to the river.
If we go straight, we go back and then to go home. So now, you want to buy something?
I don't know mine. You want to eat something?
Hungryat is a Canadian travel vlogger. If you liked this video, help support the channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. To make sure you never miss a future video release, hit that notification bell.
I am going to finish this video now. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.